everyone. Okay, so today I am going to go through the marketing work kit. Now these are brand new, brand new. Okay. Um, I saw it coming a little bit because of all the different marketing materials that was coming out, but now it's all in one area, and I think this is going to be so useful for so many people. Okay, so how to get to the work kits is either way on the front page or your project page, just click templates. It's going to take you to the template page. And then right over here on the side, it says work kits, or right up here on the template page, introducing work kits. So let's look at the marketing one first. Okay, I do know I will be using this one. I saw so many cool things. So in this little work kit, it has everything. It has the templates, tips, tools, articles, all kinds of things. So let's look at it. All right. So basically, a lot of things is there. You don't have to start from scratch. Things are already made, templates are already done. All you have to do is change your colors, fonts to make it, on your brand, or just, whatever colors you want. But, business, you want to do brand, all that. So, um, amazing stuff. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at some things. So, they have some campaign management, and they have some, these are templates. So here's a presentation, product launch, campaign report, campaign brief, campaign timeline. So these are all things that I can think of myself I could use as launching products or launching a challenge or a course, stuff like that. So of the project, let's check this one out. So this is just a template. It shows you everything right here, and so you can look at it and say, oh, do I want to do it? And if you do, then you just come over here and go customize this template. Okay, and then if you are not ready but you're like, yeah, I like this a lot, go ahead and star it, and then you'll be able to find it in your stars. Okay. Another thing I want to show you is, let's click on this. This is a doc. Okay. Now let's say this you're looking at and you're like, I don't know if that's really going to fit what I want. Scroll down, and here is 25 more templates. So they're giving you far more choices to see if there's anything that can work for your business. And of course, you name it differently, change the colors, change the info. But I'm liking this because these are ways that we can put what's in our head down into a doc, and I love doing that. So like right here, content strategy. We have also a daily planner down here, a social media project. So if that first one isn't like hitting it, like that's not really what I'm looking for, look at the other choices it has. This I do like. This is something that I know I could possibly use when I am doing my next challenge. This is very important. So I'm going to star this, and I do know I will use it. Okay, beautiful. And even down here, guys, look at all the project items here. Okay, so these things right here, even with the life cycle marketing, there's this content planner. It's 2025, but if you guys go down here, there's one, no date. There's 2024. There's the weekly content. So there's going to be one. Oh, I like that one. Let me look at this one. Oh, and I could do time, platform, content, visual. Okay. Yes. I like this. So this I normally just do like in just like a regular Canva doc. So I do like this too because it's more of a plan. Okay. Okay. And then down here is the social media. So you have well, it just went, huh. Okay. Hopefully it comes back. Um there was this social content calendar right here that caught my eye, and then content strategy. So look through these templates. And then down here is campaign assets. So like if we have a challenge coming up or we have a product, here is they have a event website that you can, customize and make as a little landing page. You can do a long form video. So they have these templates already here for you. Then they have thought starters, so it gives you a little bit more info about the work kits, gives you tips, guides, and then they also put in some app info. Like these are the apps that will help. Assigna. Now, OpenRep was one of the ones that during my AI challenge. Oh, this was amazing, and I use it. So that is a good one. Slack, if you have Slack, yeah, okay. But MailChimp, HubSpot, okay. So all kinds of apps. And then they have some resources. They have articles, they have case studies, they have webinars. They even have some videos right here that you can, work through, um, which is awesome. And then you can explore the other work kits. So tomorrow I'll probably look at the sales one. If it's kind of similar to this, I don't know if I will do all of them, because it would just be the basic same things, do the templates and stuff like that. So this is great. I will be doing a far more in-depth video for the clubhouse. I'll probably just set up one of these things. Yeah, that would be fun. And then, so tomorrow I'm either going to show you the sales work kits, or we are going to go on to something else. I'm kind of excited. I want to, the bulk crate. I've been using it like they're saying to use it now. I've been adding images. I've taught how to add the images probably for a couple months now, but not everyone knows about it. So I think I will do, well, I know I'm going to do a Pinterest batch crate. So that video will be coming up and I'll share that with you guys as well. Okay, so there we got it. There's so many cool things to do. And so if you're liking my video, please subscribe. I'm going to keep doing the videos until everyone gets tired of listening to me. So, and then I probably still won't stop because I have a business to run. All right. Have a great day, everyone. And super excited that Canva really listened to everyone and gave us these work kits that just give us a foundation of something to start with. Okay. Stop letting yourself get discouraged with graphics, and there is no need to start from scratch. Okay. All right. Thank you.